Yo, welcome
they
back
weren't verbally because they had, right, and I love them. So we were very deliberate to make sure that our children would hear those verbal affirmations on a daily basis. And we did. So I'm glad that, the things that I said stuck. The culture in the family I grew up with and is so different from our culture now. In my teen years, I had a relationship with my mom, with grandma. Really? Yeah, we were like cats and dogs. I don't remember having opened up to her about any the culture in...
Graduate kami diploma, pre. Ikaw kasi nabaya pa, paano mo masasiling nga waray ka po na pag-graduation na ito nga atag mo.
It's different. You're different from your mom, right? And you're trying to do things. That's why a wall between us. But thank God, we've been able to redeem